Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In last video we looked at the beautician role, how to handle patient case and how to create invoice. But in this video we will see how to do fully payment with receptionist role. So let's see about that. Here need to log in with this again receptionist. So log in with this Nita Mehra. Now go to your beauty clinic. Go to this beauty cache and now open this cache and go to this invoice and display here this confirm button. You can easily confirm here and easily pay this. Now you can easily create payment and display here this paid state and attach here this payment one. Now open it and display here this payment number. Customer name is Walter Diane. Total amount of this cash. General by bank. Method by manual payment and account number. So you can here easily do payment with this receptionist role. Next video we will see how to self-service for the user as a patient role in website side. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.